How to get a girlfriend step by step. Gentlemen, the journey starts with you. Confidence is magnetic, but here's the catch. It's built through action, not just thought. Spend time improving areas of your life, feel good in your skin, and embrace your unique traits. Confidence isn't about perfection, it's about realizing your worth. Look sharp and take care of yourself. It's not vanity, it's self-respect. Hit the gym, upgrade your wardrobe, or improve grooming basics. When you feel your best, it shows, and trust me, women will notice. Confidence is the foundation of attracting the right partner. Let's face it, sparkling conversations often set you apart. Start by casually talking to everyone, not just potential dates. Social skills improve through practice, so get comfortable engaging with people without pressure. It'll make chatting with women feel natural. When talking to someone you're interested in, listen actively. Show genuine curiosity about who they are. Avoid trying too hard to impress, just focus on connection. Women remember how you make them feel more than what you say. Be pleasant and approachable. You won't get a girlfriend sitting at home, so step out and expand your social circle. Attend events, join hobbies, or sign up for community activities. Shared interests naturally bring you closer to like-minded people. Dating apps? Sure, but balance that with real-life connections too. Meeting new women isn't just about effort, it's about intention. Keep an open mind, explore new spaces, and let opportunity come to you. You don't need to hunt for a girlfriend. Focus on building connections, and chemistry will happen naturally. The first moments set the tone. Be polite, maintain confident eye contact, and offer a warm smile. Introduce yourself without overthinking. Hey, I noticed specific detail about her and wanted to say hi works beautifully. Authenticity triumphs over cheesy lines. Dress appropriately and pay attention to the little things. Respectful body language, like standing tall and open gestures, communicates confidence and trustworthiness. First impressions don't guarantee love, but they open doors, so make yours unforgettable. Flirting is an art, not a science. Start light and playful, tease her gently but always stay respectful. Compliments? Keep them specific and natural. You have a great taste in music, feels more authentic than generic flattery. Humor is also a great way to break the ice. Gauge her reactions. If she's laughing, smiling, or keeping the conversation going, you're doing it right. If she's distant, take a step back. Confidence means knowing when to pursue and when to pause. Flirting is about creating a fun, relaxed vibe and showing her it's safe to open up. When you feel the connection, don't hesitate. Waiting too long risks getting friend-zoned. Politely ask her out for something simple, coffee or a walk. It's casual but sets your intentions. Confidence means risking rejection, but trust me, women appreciate men who step up. Keep the first date light and conversational. Focus on enjoying the time rather than impressing her. Show genuine interest in her thoughts and hobbies. Women adore attention, not in an overbearing way, but one that makes them feel valued and understood. Honest communication sets the foundation for a strong relationship. If you're serious about her, don't play games. Be open about what you're looking for, but also respect her feelings and boundaries. Mutual respect and clarity are key to building trust. If she's not interested or doesn't share your goals, accept it gracefully and move on. A great relationship isn't forced, it's mutual. The right person will appreciate your sincerity and effort. Getting a girlfriend isn't the finish line. It's the starting point of something meaningful. Show her consistency and effort, small surprises, thoughtful messages, and remembering important details keep the spark alive. Relationships thrive when both partners feel appreciated and supported. Never stop improving yourself even in a relationship. Growth keeps you attractive and confident, inspiring her to grow alongside you. Be the partner you'd want to have and watch your connection deepen over time. Becoming the man who gets the girlfriend he dreams of begins in small, intentional steps. Confidence, charm, effort, and sincerity are your keys to success. Show up authentically, take risks, and never settle for less than a meaningful connection. Now it's time to take action. Whether it's improving yourself, expanding your social circle, or sparking that first conversation, start today. The right woman could be closer than you think. Let me know how your journey unfolds in the comments. For more advice like this, subscribe and join me on the path to a better love life.